Hi guys, it's Claire at Nebraska Quilt Company, and today we're going to make a half square triangle, which is used in almost every single pattern and many quilts. And we're going to be using the Tucker Trimmer 1, which by the way is sold at Nebraska Quilt Company in store or online. We are going to make a finished size of 3-inch half square triangles. So our starting size is going to be 2 4-inch box squares. And on one of the squares on the wrong side of the fabric, you're going to take your marking utensil and you're going to mark 1/4 inch on each side of the diagonal on the wrong side of the fabric. So we line up our middle and we mark 1/4 inch along each edge. Then you will stack your squares, right sides together, and then you will sew along one diagonal and along the other diagonal. Once you are finished sewing, you will take your ruler and you're going to cut directly on the diagonal. So you'll line up 1/4 inch along one of the seams you sewed and you'll cut on the diagonal. And that'll leave you with 2 pieces, and we will go iron them and press our seams. Oh, I should have plugged the iron in. Okay. Again. It open. Ooh, it's getting warm. Okay, now that you're done ironing, we are going to trim. On your Tucker trimmer, you have a whole circle and a half circle. We're going to trim ours to 3.5 to allow for our 1/4 inch seam on each side of the block. So you're going to line up your common diagonal, and then you'll trim along the side and the top, and then you'll rotate, line up your 3.5 and your common diagonal along the middle, and trim your last side. Oops. And you'll do that to both blocks. Now you have 2 half square triangles, and you can arrange them in different ways within your quilt depending on what you need. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below or contact us at nebraskaquiltcompany.com.